As Isaac T. Wilson today we're going to be upping these. So yeah, let's get straight into the first pack. So as we can see, have I already got this in previous packets? I don't know. This is my first swap. I've already got her. I've already got this guy. Oh my god, I've already got this pack before. They do the same packs. Whoa, my god. Wow. So that was a bit weird. So, straight into the next one. I've already got the clown. Oh wait, I don't have the... I've got the witch. And I've got... What the hell? I've already got these three. And then I haven't got this though. The car. So this is my last pack. I've got 5 packs today, but I opened 2 off camera. This is my third one. Yes, I got a hippie. Dinner waiters. I got... Ibex. So yeah, that's a lot of cards I need. That's really good actually. I'll see you guys in the next video. If you want to close up them now, so bye. Ibex. Hippie. Dinner waitress. Frightening night. Small clown. Wacky witch. Snake charmer. Off-roader. Hotel. Skate girl. Trendsetter. Parrot. Lily. Cave woman. Booty girl. Hot dog stand. Table player. Weightlifter. Last but not least, banana guy. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!